Hello, today we're gonna work on Wildlife 3rd grade worksheet, lesson 6. So to start with, we're gonna start with to find two equivalent sets for each. List the coins and bills. So first of all, number 1 is $5.03. So we're gonna convert it to bills and pennies. So for set 1, let's just set it like this right now. And you know that $1 is just $1, so there's 5 of them. It's $1, so $5. And it's going to be 3 pennies because 1 penny equals to 1 cent. So 3 pennies. I'll just write it down so that you can refer to it. So it's second. So 100 cents equal to $1. And 1 penny equals to 1 cent. And 1 dime equals to 10 cents. Then 1 quarter equals to 25 cents. So you can go back to it when you're trying to do it. Just move it real quick. So for set number 1, we're gonna have one $5 bill, plus 3 pennies. And for set 2, we can write it as 5 $1 bill instead of just 1 $5 bill. Then just 3 pennies again. So that's the answer. So there can be multiple answers in this case. And for number 2, we can write it as set 1 and set 2 again. And since it's $8, you can just write it as $8 or 8 $1 bills. And this should be 4 pennies. So we're gonna write it as one $5 bill plus 3 $1 bills plus 4 pennies, or we can say 8 $1 bills because everything's just by like $5 for the dollars, and like cents is like either like 5, like 1, 10, 25. So 8 $1 bills plus 4 pennies. And for number 4, we can see that this is $2, so we will do 2 $1 bills. And this should be, you can write as either quarter, 1 quarter, or we can just write the whole thing as 9 quarters, because if you do 25 times 9, that's 5 times 9, 5 and 4 here. So 2 times 9 is 18, and you make it 225. But since this is a quarter, we're gonna move the decimal place to make it dollars. So it's the same thing. So set 1, set 2. So we're gonna have 2 $1 bills plus 1 quarter or we can just have it 9 quarters. And that's it. For the second section, we're going to use the comparison marks to compare the amounts of money. So for the first one, we can see that this is $1 and this is a quarter. So this is 25 cents. Jeez. And this is $1 again. And this is dime, so that should be 10 cents. And this is dime too, so this is another 10 cents. And we can already see that the number of coins are more in the second one, but we don't know yet, so we'll see. Let's see. So this should be $1.20, so we will put $1.25. And this dime, and this is the dollar, and this is the nickel, so that's 5 cents. So it's also $1.25 here, so it should be equal sign. And for second one, it's $1 and nickel again, so $1.05. And this is 2 quarters, so we'll put 50 cents. And there's 5 dimes, so that's also 50 cents in total. So we have $1 here, and this $1.05, so the left side is bigger. For number 3, we have $1 and quarters, so 25 cents, and 2 nickels, so that's 10 cents, and this dime, so 10 cents again. So in total, it should be $1.45 cents. So $1.45, I mean, sorry. And for the right side, we have $1 here, and this is 5 dimes again, so this is 50 cents. So we're gonna have $1.50. So the right side is bigger. So we're gonna write equal sign. Left side is bigger, the right side is bigger. For the third section, we'll find the sum or difference. Estimate check. So we have 49.99 plus 28.56. So we're just gonna find the sum or difference. This case is sum. So I'll just say for estimate, we'll put it as like $50 and we put it as $30. So I'll estimate as like $80. And when we actually solve it, it's gonna be like this. Make sure to match the decimal places or like you're gonna get it wrong. So 9 plus 6 is 15. We're gonna move 1 here. 9 plus 5 is 4, but there's 1 here, so 5, and we're gonna move 1 again. And we'll put decimal places. And 9 plus 8 is 17, but we're gonna add another 1. So that's 18, but we're gonna move the 1 to the next one. So here. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 78.55. For number 3, we have 67.80 plus 33.21. So we're just gonna estimate $70. And this is $30. And I'll say it's $100 estimated. So we just got it right now. 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we're going to move the 1 here. And 7 plus 3 is 10, but there's 1 here, so 11, but we're going to move 1 again. So 6 plus 3 is 9, but there's 1 here, so 10. I'm going to move 2 decimal places according to this thing. So 101.01 is our answer. For number 6, we have 82.35 plus 16.42. So the estimate is 40 and 20. So it's 100. And when we calculate the exact number, it's gonna be 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. We move the decimal places, so 98.77. For number 9, we have 93.50 minus 27.45. So we're gonna subtract it right now. And our estimate is $30 here and $90. So $60 estimated. We calculate it, it's 0 minus 5, but 0 is less than 5, so we'll borrow 1 from here. So that should be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 7, it won't work because 3 is less, so we'll borrow another 1 here. So that should be 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. But 8 minus 2 is 6. We move decimal places, says 66.05. Word problems. Number 1. Ava has 5 nickels and Ben has 50 pennies. Who has more money and how much more? So, as I told you, nickels worth 5 cents. So that's 5 times 5, 25 cents. But Ben has 50 pennies. And penny equals to 1 cent. So 50 times 1 is 50 cents. So Ben has more than Ava by 25 cents. Lucy has $5. She buys a snack for $2.75. How much money does Lucy have left after buying the snack? So $5 and she buys a snack for $2.75. So we'll do 5 minus 2.75. But since there's like no decimal place here, we'll just like put 0, 0, because 0 doesn't do anything, it's the same thing. So I'm just gonna subtract it now. So we'll borrow 1 from 5 because zeros are less than numbers on the bottom. So 4 here. We have 10 here, but we have to borrow 1 again, so it's 9 and 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. And we move decimal place here, so Lucy has $2.25 left. For number 4, Sophia earned $6.50 from doing chores. She spent $3.75 on a toy. How much money does Sophia have left after her purchase? So earn this much, and she spent $3.75. So we'll subtract it again. We'll borrow 1 from 5 because 0 is less than 5. So 4, 10 here. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And we're going to borrow another 1 from 6 because 4 is less than 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And we move decimal places. And she has $2.75 left. And that's it. Thank you.